Assalamu alaikum everyone. Information Box Ticket Lifestyle brings you
Paragraph writing topic Girls' Education.
But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. Keep supporting my channel. Our today's topic is on girls' education. Girls' education is a critical component of progress. Greater educated females would on average be healthier, participate more in good labor employment, earn higher incomes, have fewer children, marry later in life, and provide their future generation with better social insurance and adequate education. The growth of the country is linked to the education of girls. Girls' education is an important topic. It is a source of concerns for each country. A man-centered framework exists in almost every country on the planet. We need to alter the entire world structure. Despite this, many countries throughout the world lack education for females. It is not advantageous to them, their community, or their nation. Even in many countries, the society women are seen as inferior to males. Perhaps this is why many countries, despite everything, continue to struggle as a young nation. We should give it serious thought. Education for girls is a problem that requires our attention. It is without a doubt the most serious problem on the planet. Everyone understands that education is a need for all of us. Girls too require knowledge in order to have a happy life. We as a group must recognize our shared commitment to this issue and collaborative efforts. Currently, the most pressing need in the world is for girls to have an education. A well-educated woman helps to the growth of the country in all fields. She has the potential to bring wealth to both her family and the country. Nothing is impossible for a well-educated woman. Educating a girl is comparable to educating a family. Her words and actions inspire every member of the family. Working and financially supporting her family is how an educated female earns money. Young girls and women have an important role in the development of a society. They can demonstrate to their children and the children in their immediate vicinity. As a result, those young people will feel strongly about their nation and crime rates will drop significantly. Society's greatest disappointment is sexual and abusive behavior in girls' homes. They can only be eradicated from society with the help of education. Educating females can help them understand their rights in the country. Every individual needs education. Everyone needs it, but girls are the ones who lack it the most. When compared to educated boys, the number of educated girls in the globe, particularly in many countries, is relatively low. The lack of education among girls can be attributed to a variety of factors. The differentiation of sexual orientation is viewed as a difference of talent by a major section of many societies. They feel that girls are incapable of doing what boys can. They aren't very good with boys. Girls are kept away from training because of their guardians and society's attitudes. In our general public, unethical behavior has expanded to a large extent. Girls are abused by the majority of immoral people. This abuse has instilled terror in the minds of many parents. This dread prevents guardians from sending their daughters abroad, preventing them from completing their education. Another issue impacting girls' education is the lack of adequate physical offices for women in educational institutions. The negative impact of such a problem are mostly felt in urban and impoverished areas. Similarly, the inaccessibility of female educators has an impact on females' education. In this regard, female education is a critical problem. We must stand up and fight for the rights of each and every female. Nowadays, education seems like a problem for a girl, which requires our attention. No doubt is that this is the most serious problem on the planet. And everyone should understand that education is need for all of us. Even girls too require knowledge in order to have a happy and cheerful life. We, as a sensible people, must recognize our shared commitment to this issue and collaborative efforts. Above all, we must be sensitive to the future of our female relatives. We work on providing all of the necessary and advanced education to the little girls in our household. We should not compel them to marry and they should complete their studies. Because of lacks of fund, many people are unable to educate their daughters. In many countries, the number of such persons is the highest. It's not a difficult problem. We can get rid of it by providing basic education at a cheap or no cost. It will assist females in receiving necessary education and preparing them to continue in this brutal world. Every educated lady contributes to the betterment of society in some manner. She becomes a source of inspiration for both young women and young men. She has the potential to raise a better generation for the country. An educated girl is aware of her responsibilities and she tries to ensure that everyone in this public sphere receives government aid. Girls and women are now contributing to every field, including science, clinical practice, engineering, legislative issues, protection, social assistance, and many others. It is now possible due to the advancement of female education. As I told you, the growth of a country is linked to the education of a girl. Girls' education is an important topic. It is a source of concern for each country. A man-centered framework exists in almost every country on the planet. We need to alter the entire world structure. You might be thinking, what is the current state of education for females throughout the world? But before that, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. I'll be very thankful to you. So the current state of education for female is, women account for over 2/3 of the world's 796 million illiterate people. According to worldwide statistics, just 39% of rural females and nearly 45% of rural boys attend secondary education. In metropolitan regions, 59% of girls have received an education compared to 60% of boys. Which nation has the highest percentage of individuals who are illiterate? According to World Education System, Somalia is the world's worst educated country. And you might be thinking, what is the opposite? Well, the opposite is Canada ranks first among the world's most educated countries. What are some of the groups that are collaborating to advance girls' education? Well, to help you out, I'll tell you that Educate Girls, the United Nations Girls Education Initiatives, the Malala Fund, and other organizations are collaborating to educate a huge number of girls throughout the world for a better future. There is no greater pillar of stability than a strong, free, and educated woman. To educate girls is to reduce poverty. So, a girl's education is a single best investment that any society can make. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon button for more videos. Thank you so much.